Hello student. In my last video I had started logarithmic differentiation and also derived few questions from exercise 5.5. Today let us start from question number 6. Your question is differentiate the following with respect to x. Question number 6 is x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is your question. And you see here in this question, as the power is a variable, so we have to take logarithmic differentiation, as we know that. Okay. So first I name the function as y, that is y equal to x plus 1 by x whole to the power x plus x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So this is your question. And you see, here we cannot take logarithm directly because there is no formula for finding out log of m plus n. That's why what you have to do, you first name the functions as u and v. You can use another variables also where u and v are the functions of x. Here I name this as u. So what is u? I have to write down, and this as v. So I have written here what is v. v is equal to x to the power 1 by x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Now what we'll do, separately we are going to take the derivative of u and v, because I have to find out the derivative dy dx. So let us write down what is dy dx. dy dx is equal to what? d dx of u plus v, and d dx of u plus v is du dx and dv dx. Now our aim is to get the value of du dx and dv dx. After finding out the value of du dx and dv dx, we will substitute here in equation number 1 so that we get dy dx. So first I proceed to u. So your u is x plus 1 by x whole to the power x. And as we see here, the power is a variable. That's why we take log on both sides. That is, log of u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x to the power x. Okay, and here you just keep it as it is, and here we can do different simplification, because the power is a variable and to the power something, logarithm of to the power something can be written as a product. So it becomes x into log of x plus 1 by x. Now you see, this is a function of x and this is also a function of x. That means when I take the derivative, we can use here u into v rule. So let us take derivative on both sides with respect to x. So d dx of log u is equal to d dx of x into log of x plus 1 by x. That means we are taking log on both sides. Then here I can use chain rule, thinking u as x. We can use here log x formula. And d dx of log x is 1 by x. So here you will get 1 by u. And as you have supposes u as x, so take derivative of u with respect to x. So left side is completed. Now go to the right side. Here on the right side, you see this is the product of two functions of x. So you are going to use log of u into v rule. That is a product rule. The rule is u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. So your u is x. So x d dx of, this is your v, log of x plus 1 by x, plus log of x plus 1 by x. This is your v plus d dx of u. Okay. So this line is completed. After this, we are going to simplify it. So on simplification, I just bring this u to the right side also, because our aim is to get du dx. So I just keep du dx on the left side, bringing u to the right side, it become product. Together I had done the differentiation also. X you keep it as it is. And this one, if you think it as x, it become log of x formula. Log of x is 1 by x, so 1 by x plus 1 by x. And d dx of that expression, which you have supposed as x, take derivative of that portion, d dx of x plus 1 by x. Plus, this keep it as it is. So log of x plus 1 by x and d dx of x is equal to 1. Okay, hope you understand this step. After this, du dx equal to u. Do the simplification here. X keep it as it is. Here I am taking logarithm and taking the reciprocal, it is x, and this is product with x, so x square plus 1. Take the derivative of this portion. d dx of x is 1 and d dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, and here doing the product with 1, it will be remains as log of x plus 1 by x. Now here I have substituted a u value. Du dx will become x plus 1 by x to the power x, and do the simplification here. This x into x give you x square. It is x square plus 1. Taking LCM here, x square is the LCM. Here x square minus 1, and keeping as it is. After that, du dx equal to x plus 1 by x to the power x. Here x square will be cancelled out. Numerator x square minus 1 is left, and denominator x square plus 1, and keeping this as 1. So here we have done du dx. After getting du dx, our aim is to get the value of dv dx. You remember, this is your v. V is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. So let us proceed here. So I take your v. Our v is x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. As the power is variable, again I have taken here logarithm. Log of v will give you log of x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. This is power, so it will come as a product. So 1 plus 1 by x into log of x. Log of v will be there. Now after simplification, we have to take ddx. So taking ddx on both sides, ddx of log v is equal to ddx of this into this. On the right side, left side we can use function rule, but on the left side, right side, you have to use the product rule. Okay? So here, thinking v as x, we can write down it as ddx of 1 by log of v is equal to 1 by v dv dx. Here product rule can be used. Product rule give you u into v. U, that is this one, x plus 1 plus 1 by x, ddx of log x, plus log x, ddx of 1 plus 1 by x. Then here I just bring this u to the v to the right side and become dv dx equal to v into 1 plus 1 by x, and ddx of log x is 1 by x. This is the direct formula. Plus log of x, and ddx of this is 0, and ddx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared. This simplification step is done. Then we get dv dx equal to, what is v? Substitute x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Do the simplification. X is your LCM, numerator x plus 1, and here we have 1 by x. This is plus minus is minus 1 by x square into log of x. Okay. So again here I have done one more step of simplification. That is what? Just I combine this together. It become x square, and remaining things are same. Okay. So this is your v dv dx. After getting dv dx, I had already told you that in 1, which is dy dx, I marked it as 1. There I'll go to substitute u du dx and dv dx. What is dv dx? Du dx you see from the previous step page. That is x plus 1 by x to the power x into this expression. Remember this, okay? I have substituted here. X plus 1 by x whole to the power x, x square minus 1 by x square plus 1, log of x plus 1 by x, and v is this much. dv dx is this much. So substituting this two, we get our answer. So here this question is completed. Now I go to question number 7. Your question is log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. Here also we see there are two functions of x, and the power is also a variables. So here we have to take logarithmic differentiation, but we cannot take logarithm directly, as we know there is no rule for log of m plus n. That's why we just name this function as y, as earlier. Y is equal to log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. And after this, instead of taking logarithm, we name the functions as u and v. What is u and v? That also I have mentioned here. U is log x to the power x, and v is x to the power log x. Then what I'll go to do? I have to take differentiation of dy dx, and this is become du dx plus dv dx. Okay. So separately, I have to now find out the value of du dx and dv dx. So let us take our u. So this is your u. U is log x to the power x. As I told you, this power is a variable, so take log on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides, we get log of u is equal to log of log x to the power x. Here the power is there. Power can be written as a product. So it becomes x into log of log x. After simplification, we have to take ddx on both sides. So ddx of log u is equal to ddx of this expression. Now we can differentiate. Here same rule can be applied. That is equal to what? 1 by u. I had told you these things many times, so directly I can do this. 1 by u du dx. Here the product rule can be applied. Product rule, the first function is x and the second function is log of log x. So first function derivative of the second function plus second function ddx of the first function. Okay, and here this is equal to x, you keep it as it is, ddx of log of log x. Log x you have to think it as x. It become 1 by log x into ddx of log x because I am considering log x as x. This is log of log x and ddx of x is equal to 1. Okay, so this will be equal to du dx, you bring to the right side. Okay, and here x 1 by log x and ddx of log x is 1 by x and this one is log of log x. After this I substituted here the value of u. Your u is log x to the power x and remaining things x cancel out. We get 1 by log x and log of log x, right? Now I am going to v and take differentiation for v. For differentiation we take log on both sides. Log of v is equal to log of x to the power log x. Power is log x, so log x will come as a product, log x into log x. And log x into log x can be written as log x whole square. In this case, if I write down it as log x whole square, I can use x square formula, or without considering this way log x into log x, if I keep it like this, we can use product rule. In both the way we can do the solution. Then I have taken logarithm ddx of log v is equal to ddx of, I have considering log x whole square, so log x whole square. So on the left side, derivative of log v is equal to what? 1 by v dv dx. You think it as x and this become x to the power 2 formula. X to the power 2 is 2 into x to the power x ddx of log x because you have think log x as x. So dv dx equal to what? Vi is bring to the right side 2 log x, the dx of log x is 1 by x. Then dv dx equal to v, substituting we get x to the power log x 2 by x into log x, and after that we have just substituted the value of du dx and dv dx to get dy dx. So dy dx equal to what? First I substituted du dx, which is log x to the power x into 1 by x plus log of log x. See here, x to the power x into 1 by log x, okay, and log of log x is there. And on the and dv dx equal to what? X to the power log x into 2 by x into log of x. So here the solution of question number 7 is completed. Let us proceed to question number 8. Your question number 8 is sine x to the power x plus sine inverse of 1 by x. So first I name this as a function y. Y is equal to sine x to the power x plus sine inverse of 1 by x. Here also sum of two functions are there, and also the power is a variable, so we have to take logarithmic differentiation. But as there is sum, so first we have to name the function as u and v. Don't write down it as log y is equal to log u log v. Okay, don't write down like that. That will be wrong. So you name the function as u and v. What is u and v? Mention. And then take differentiation, that is dy dx equal to ddx of u plus v, which is du dx plus dv dx. After this I write down here u. What is u? Sin x to the power x, and then take logarithm. Log of u is equal to log of sin x to the power x. On simplification we get log of u is equal to x into log of sin x. Okay, then ddx of log of u is equal to ddx of this expression. ddx of log of u, what is the value? 1 by u du dx. Here product rule can be applied. X ddx of this expression plus log of sin x plus ddx of x. Doing differentiation and bringing u to the right side, together I had done two steps here. Du dx equal to u into x ddx of log of sin x. You have to think now sin x as x. It become 1 by sin x into ddx of sin x. Log of sin x and ddx of sin x, ddx of x equal to 1. Then after this I just substituted here the value of u. Du dx equal to sin x to the power x, x by sin x, ddx of sin x is cos x, log of sin x. So here one step of simplification I had done here. Du dx equal to sin x to the power x, x cos x by sin x combining written as cot x, and log of sin x. You can stop the solution here also. Then I have proceed to question number, v. Your v is sine inverse of x. You see here there is no power, or it's a simple expression, so directly formula can be applied. That means direct differentiation can be done, functions of function or chain rule you can take. So directly I have done the differentiation, because if I think root x as x, I can use the formula of sine inverse of x. So dv dx equal to, that is ddx of v is equal to ddx of sine inverse of x. And what is the derivative of sine inverse of x? 1 by under root 1 minus x squared. So 1 by under root, your x is root over x, so 1 by root over x whole square. 1 minus root over x whole square into ddx of what is your x you have considered is root x, so ddx of root x. Okay, then dv dx equal to 1 by root x whole square is x, ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So what is dv dx? Combinedly I have written here 1 by, I just do the product, 2 outside, x into 1 by x. So here is derivative of v is completed. Then let us substitute in dy dx. So dy dx will be equal to what is dy dx? First put dv dx, that is sin x to the power x into cot x log of this, and dv dx is this one. So here the solution is completed. Now I proceed to question number 9. Your question number 9 is sin x to the power x to the power sin x and sin x to the power cos x. So this is your question number 9. Here also I just named the function as y, and after taking this as y, I just named the functions again as u and v, so that I can take the derivative. What is u and v I have mentioned. Taking derivative dy dx equal to what? Du dx plus dv dx, mark it as 1. What is u? X to the power sin x, and v is this much. Power is variable, so take log on both sides. That's why I have written here u is equal to x to the power sin x. Log of u is equal to log of x to the power sin x. Then the power can be written as a product. So it becomes log of u is equal to sin x into log of x. Always see, do the simplification step. After that only you take derivative. Then I have taken derivative on both sides. That is ddx of log u is equal to ddx of sin x into log x. This is 1 by u du dx. Sin x u into v rule, because this is functions of x, this is a function of x. So sin x, first function derivative of log x plus log x derivative of sin x. This is u, I just bring to the right side, du dx equal to u into sin x, log x is 1 by x. This is log x, the dx of sin x is cos x. So here derivative is completed. Put the value of u. U is sin x to the power x to the power sin x. You can see here, u is x to the power sin x, substitution. And this is sin x by x, cos x into log of x. So du dx we obtain. We proceed to now dv dv. V is sin x to the power cos x. So let us consider v and take derivative of v now. So v is sin x to the power cos x, power is a variable, so take log on both sides. Log of v is equal to log of sin x to the power cos x, which on simplification give you cos x into log of sin x. After simplification, our aim is to get derivative, so ddx of log v is equal to ddx of this into this. What is the derivative of log v? It's 1 by v dv dx, cos x u into v rule, cos x derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x derivative of cos x. U into v rule I have applied. dv dx equal to v, you bring to the right side, cos x, the dx of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into ddx of sin x. Log of sin x keep it as it is, the dx of cos x is minus sin x. After this, I just substituted here the value of v, sin x to the power cos x. This is cos x by sin x, the dx of sin x is cos x, minus log, plus minus is minus, log of sin x into sin x. One more step of simplification I had done here, sin x to the power cos x, here this is cos squared x by sin x. Sin x I have written first, sin x into log of sin x. After this, I just substitute the value of du dx and dv dx to get dy dx. So your dy dx equal to, this is your dv dx, this much is your dv dx, and this is your that is your du dx, okay, and this is your dv dx. Substitution gives you your answer. Now proceed to question number 10. Your question is x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Here also sum of two functions present. Y, name the function as y, because logarithmic function if you want to do, in that case if I name it, then it will be easy for us. That's why I named the function as u and v, where u is equal to x to the power x cos x and v is equal to this much. Taking derivative dy dx equal to dv dx plus du dx plus dv dx. First I consider u, that is x to the power x cos x, okay, power variable, so take log of x to the power x cos x. Product, power will come as a product, your power is x cos x, so x cos x into log x. You see here we have three functions of x present, so u into v into w rule you have to apply when we take the derivative. So take derivative, ddx of log u is equal to ddx of this expression. ddx of log u is 1 by u du dx. Here I have to take derivative of x first, keeping this 2 as it is, so cos x into log x, the dx of x. Secondly, I take the derivative of cos x, keeping x and log x as it is, x log x, the dx of the cos x. Thirdly, I take the derivative of the third function, that is log x, the dx of log x, keeping the first two as it is, x cos x. UVW rule I have applied. After this, do derivative. Du dx equal to u, I just bring to the right side. This is cos x log x, the dx of x is 1. X log x, the dx of cos x is minus sin x. X cos x and the dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay. So du dx equal to x to the power, u value substituted, x to the power x cos x. This is cos x into log x, plus minus is minus. So x sin x into log x, x cancel out. This is cos x. So du dx is done. Now we proceed to v. V is x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Here you can take log, and after that simplification and logarithmic differentiation can be done. But I have applied here derivative directly quotient rule, u by v rule, which will give you direct derivative I have done here. As the function is not very complicated, that's why I have done it directly. So your v is x square by plus 1 by x square minus 1. So taking the dx on both sides, we get it. dv dx equal to v square, formula is v square v dx of u minus u dx of v. V square, v means second function whole square, second function derivative of the first function, that is the numerator, minus numerator dx of the denominator. Okay. So dv dx equal to denominator, I just keep it as it is. Simplification step I had done, x square minus 1. ddx of x square is twice x plus 0, 0 I have not written here. X square plus 1 and ddx of x square is twice x. Then I just open the bracket. Twice x cube minus twice x cube plus minus is minus twice x. This is cancel out, minus 4x by x square plus minus 1 whole square is the derivative of dv dx. So what is dy dx? du dx plus dv dx. So substitute the value of du dx and dv dx, and this is your answer. Okay. So here this is completed. Let us do the next question number 11. Okay. So your question number 11 is x cos x to the power x, x sin x to the power 1 by x. It's a very lengthy question. Okay. So first name the function as y. After this we name this function as u and v. What is u and v? I have written here. Take derivative dy dx equal to du dx plus dv dx. Now our aim is to get the value of du dx and dv dx. So for that purpose I just write down what is u. U is x cos x to the power x. Okay. Now as the power is a variable, so we take logarithm on both sides. Log of u is equal to log of x cos x to the power x. Then power can be written as a product in logarithm. So x into log of x log x. X is keep it as it is. This is the product of two functions, can be written as log of mn, which is log m plus log n. Is log of log x plus log of cos x. Now after simplification, it's a product of two functions. One is x and other function is this one. I take derivative on both sides. Dx of log x, log of u is equal to u, that is x first function derivative of the second function into derivative of the first function. After this, 1 by u du dx equal to x. Here the derivative of this expression, ddx of log x is 1 by x, ddx of log of cos x. X you have to think it as cos x. So 1 by cos x into ddx of cos x. And the second expression, log of x plus log of cos x, keep it as it is, and ddx of x is 1. du dx equal to u, I just bring to the right side and do the product with x. X into 1 by x by cos x into ddx of cos x is minus sin x. And here this is log x plus log of cos x. After this I just substitute the value of u, which is du dx equal to x cos x to the power x. X cancel out to 1, plus minus is minus, sin x by cos x is tan x, so x tan x plus this expression. Okay, so this is your du dx. After this our aim is to get the value of dv dx. So I just consider v. What is your v? X sin x to the power 1 by x. Taking logarithm as the previous one, here also the power is variable. Then I got log of v is equal to log of x sin x to the power 1 by x. Log of v is equal to the power you can write down as a product 1 by x log of x sin x. Simplification I can do one more step, that's why I have written here 1 by x log of product can be written as sum log x plus log of sin x. Then I take derivative ddx of log v is equal to, you can think this as u and this as v. So 1 by x, that is the first function, derivative of the second function plus second function derivative of the first function. ddx of log v is 1 by v dv dx, 1 by x, ddx of log x is 1 by x, ddx of log of sin x is 1 by sin x, ddx of sin x. Log x plus log of sin x, ddx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Then one more step for the simplification I had written here. That is what v value I have substituted, x sin x to the power 1 by x. Doing the product, we get 1 by x square. This is what, if you get to write down here, x, 1x will come here, huh? X sin x and the dx of sin x is cos x. So here you just write down 1x. Cos x divided by x sin x. This is plus minus is minus, 1 by x square log x plus log of sin x. And after this, I just put the value of du dx and dv dx to get the answer. So value of du dx I have substituted s sin x to the power 1 by x square. This is cos by sin I have written as cot. Cot by x will be there. Okay, don't forget to write down this x. 1 by sin square and log of, here it is, log of x plus log of sin x. So with this I stop here the video. Remaining questions I will give in my next video. Thank you.